Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. This is an important update from the National Testing Agency regarding the MBA entrance exam CMAT. The CMAT 2023 exam date has been announced on its official website. So in this video, we will look into the important dates including the exam date. So let us see the important dates. So as you can see, these are the important dates of CMAT 2023. The exam is going to be held on May 4th, 2023. Similarly, as last year, the exam will be conducted in two shifts. The exam timings for shift 1 is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. For shift 2, 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So as you can see, there are very few days left for the exam. So if you are preparing for the CMAT exam, it is advised to take a good number of mock tests. So we are providing 10 CMAT mocks for just 499, and additionally we are providing one free CMAT mock. So the link to take free CMAT mock is given in the description, so please check it out. For more important updates, please like the video and subscribe for the channel. So thank you so much guys, and all the best.